Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell to stay tuned to my latest content, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to sew a bubu gown with stone at the front. So first of all, I'll be cutting out the neck for the bubu gown. I'll be using 3. I removed the length. The person's length is 59. I removed it by 2 and I folded it by 4 like this. Next, for me to cut out the neck. For the neck, I'm going to use 3 by 3. 3 by 3 for the back. Using 3 by 3 for the back, and for the front I'll be using 3 by 5. But the neck is going to be a different neck. It's going to be one-sided neck. And next is for me to, don't forget, the bubu gown. Bubu gown does not have hand, like everything, the shoulder and the hand is always together for the bubu gown. So next is for me to measure from my shoulder down. I'm going to use 10. I'll be using 10 for it. Like, the reason why I'm using 10 is I don't want it to open at the armpit side. That's why I'm using 10. And my client is not that fat like that. So the neck, the back body of the neck, I'll be cutting it out. And don't forget, it's a bubu gown, and bubu gown does not need any curve, it does not need any shape, depending on how big you want it. But as for me, I'll be making it, in every part of it, I'll be making it 12-12, like to get out that I don't want it that big like that. I'll be using 12. The bust, I'll be using 12. The hip, I'll be using 12. Like everything, I'm going to use 12 because it does not need any shape. I'm using 12 all around. After rolling it out, like after making the measurement 12-12 for each part, next is for me, don't forget, it's a bubu gown and does not need, the shoulder and the hand is jointed together, like it's joined together. So I'm from the shoulder, I measure 10" down, and next is for me to get that curve. After this part, after this measurement, this 12, I will connect the lines from this 10 and curve it out like this. The next is for me to use my French curve to get out that curve, like an armhole curve. And after cutting it, this is how it looks like. After cutting, this is how it looks like. This is how the hand looks like after cutting it. Next is for me to cut out the front. That is the front, the neck part of the front, like. For the front, I'll be using 3 by 6 for the front. 3 is for the wideness. I don't want it that wide. Then the deepness, I'll be using C. So after measuring 3 inch like this, I will use my scissors to notch it like this because it's not a round neck. So I'll be placing my tape on it like this, and for me to get that 6 inch. This is 6 inch. And for me to get at that neck, I'll use my ruler. Like I said, it's a one-sided neck. This is how it looks like. And next is for me to place my satin on it, because I'm going to be putting stone at the front. This is how it looks like. I'll be using satin. I'll place satin on it like this. For me to get that shape, I'll just measure here 5 inch like this. From the neck, I'll measure 5 inch like this, and also for the other part, so I'll measure 5 inch like that also. For me to place the satin will be at the front, so I'll place like this 5 inch like this. I'll measure 5 inch also like this, 5 inch also. So next is for me to sew out my satin like this and give it the shape I want. And after placing my satin like this, I will sew it round like this. I will sew. So after sewing it like this, next is for me to trim it out. After trimming it out, I use my scissors to notch it like this. Then I turn it like this. After turning it, I still want the same shape too. I still want to give it the same shape. So what I need to do is for me to do it like this. Use my chalk to trace it like this. I'll just trim it out. The next is for me to bend it like this. Then use my pin. The reason I'm using my pin to hold it is because it will be easier for you to sew. It will be easy for you to sew. So I'll just trim on this side also too. So I use my sewing machine to match on it like this. After that, I'm going to iron and put my stone on it. Here, after matching it, I put my stone on it. This it looks like very beautiful. You can try it, it's very easy. Next is for me to place the back body to the front body like this. And after that, I'll just do my shoulder like this. After sewing my shoulder, I'll just close the body, and that's all. So after closing the body, this is how it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. In case you didn't understand the step I took cutting out this dress, or the step I took putting this green satin on it, you can kindly ask a question in the comment section and I'll gladly reply. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.